Well, what do you try to do with the design of your stores and the amenities? And maybe you kind of answered that a little bit, but what do you try to do with the design?
Design, I would like to say that the flow, right? I was first, my father and I, we were always in the mindset of filling up the stores with maximum capacity of washers and dryers and
Right.
but as you learn, as you observe, as you grow, you realize, okay, hey, maybe you don't need 54 washers, maybe 42 washers is enough of just having higher capacity, right?
Yeah.
But the flow, the seating area, the folding tables, you always want to have we like to say that we like to put the vending area by the seating area. That way, when people are sitting there, they get tempted and they spend money, whether it's ice cream or snack or drink, right?
Mhm, mhm.
We want to just basically organize and have uniformity throughout the stores. When the customer walk in, they feel like they're in the Skyline brand, right? And there's many people in the industry who have their brands and who have 20, 30, 40 stores, and they have a way of doing things. When the customer walks in, the cart system's right there, the vending machine's right there, the washers are in a certain way, and we're learning from that, and we're trying to grow and take those ideas and implement that as well.